In this video, we'll explore the process of exporting metrics and statements to Excel, along with exporting full sets of metrics and statements on a report or dashboard. To begin, let's navigate to a dashboard. Once you're on a dashboard, keep an eye out for this icon. It's the Export to Excel button. Wherever you spot this icon, you have the ability to export to Excel. Now, when you're on a dashboard or a report and you click this button, a pop-up will appear, allowing you to customize your export. Here, you can select which metrics on the report or dashboard you want to export. You also have options to show all 0 rows, display hidden rows and columns, or hide the conditional formatting. After you've made your selections, simply hit the Export button. This will export the chosen metrics and statements, organizing them neatly into tables within an Excel file. Additionally, you can export individual metrics and statements by opening the metric or statement in the editor and clicking the same icon located in the upper right corner. If you have any questions about exporting metrics and statements to Excel, feel free to send us a chat.